I came across this site today. It is so amazing. This site is so sweet. This site, oh my god. I get to know it today and I try navigating this site. And this site, guys, this site is really, really good. But disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purpose. Do well to make your research before you venture into any money making apps in the online space. Please do well to make your research. This is not a get rich quick content, so please be aware. Disclaimer. YouTube, I gave my disclaimer. Oh. So guys, this app is actually chatting with people and get paid, video calls with people and get paid. The results varies depending on how you dedicate your time, how you work hard to earn on this site. But trust me guys, when I say this site can actually make you 10,000 to 20,000 naira per day. No capping. I am not capping. I am saying the truth. I have navigated. I have an account there. I have a verified account there, so I know what I am saying. Now let me run you through. Now you see this interface you are seeing now. This is the interface of the app. This app is not on Google Play Store, so you cannot download it there. Yes, so calm down. I'm going to show you the name of the app and I'll show you how to download it. I leave my link in the description of this video, so do well to click the link and download. You cannot navigate this site without a referral code. So when you click the link, it will take you where to download it, and you download it, and it's going to give you two options. It's going to give you a pro, which is the first option for women, and the other one for everyone. Now as I'm talking to you now, call came in. You see guys, now you are, for women you download you click the first option. For guys, you click the second option, and then you get verified. Please verify your account if actually you want to enjoy the full benefits of this site. You see all those people you are seeing on the interface of this app now, those are people that are ready to pay you to chat with you, to pay you to video call with you. Guys, no capping, no scam. It is very, very, very legit. So if you love just to stay at home and make cool money for yourself, this app got you covered. Like I said, you cannot just download this app in Google Play Store. The one on Google Play Store will not earn you anything. Yes, it will not earn you anything. You use my link and then you will download. Now this is it. Another call came in again. I just have to end it. Okay, I just have to end it. So guys, let's run through the interface, because I don't want this video to be too long. In fact, they will even use call and scatter my head on this app. Okay, so guys, as you can see, all those people you are seeing, they pay to chat with you. Okay, so this is it. This is the interface. I just want to rush everything for you guys to see. So now you see where this arrow is pointing to now. Okay, immediately you register, you will click that side. After you register and you are verified, you click that arrow. Oh my god. Okay, we are already on that side where that arrow is pointing to. So when you click that side, you see these white people there. They are ready to chat up with you. Okay, they are ready to chat with you. So after that is done, you click the second option there where the arrow is pointing to now. You will click that second option. Oh my god, because I don't want these people to start calling. Let's just rush through and let's see what is there. Let's just rush through. As far as you are online, they are calling. Now can you see guys? So this is matchmaking. So immediately you click that icon, it will start matching. Immediately people start calling you. Now you see my interface here. 24 messages that I've not even replied to. The people that message me privately, 6. You see strangers, 3. You see people here, all those people, they have viewed my profile and they love my profile and they are following me. Guys, this is not small thing. You will really enjoy this app. So as far as you allow the app to display over other app, as far as your internet connection is turned on, even if you are not in this app and you just put your phone down, as far as call is coming in, you will receive the call, it will ring, except you put your phone on silent. That is the only way you're not going to get calls from these people. Just make sure that yes, your picture is attractive, yes, and you set your profile beautiful. Trust me, you are. Oh my god, let's just move ahead. Let me not even waste time. Now you see the message icon where the arrow is pointing to. Now apart from the message icon, you see that human icon, right? You will click it. So immediately you click it, you will see all these things that I'm showing you. It will show you your profile and everything. Okay, so let's just go through. Let me show you some things here. Yes. Okay, now when you click that human icon, it will display here. You can see my coins. Just 10 minutes of navigating this site, guys. I'm not capping. It's even up to 10 minutes. I have 6,416 coins because people started calling me, they started messaging me. You can see, 6,416 coins, guys, and 6,000 coins on that app will give you 1,300. Can you imagine that? So when I say you can actually make cool money for yourself on this app, I am not joking. This app will definitely make you cool amount of money. Okay, so guys, now, as I was talking, somebody called, and that was why I just edited that part and take it off because I wouldn't want to bore you guys with calls. Okay, now do you see my money here? In less than 10 minutes, yes guys, in less than 10 minutes I make this amount of money. Now calculate, you spend like 6 hours, like 7 hours, your data is turned on, calls are coming in. Do you know how much you're making for yourself? So guys, no jokes, this app is really really good. You'll make cool amount of money for yourself on this app. Seriously guys. So now let me take you guys to this segment. Very very important. Now pay attention to what I'm about to show you now. Now you see where it's written chat settings, where the arrow we're pointing to now. Now, do you take a look at it? 360 coins per minute they are paying you. So if somebody called you and you spend 1 minute with that person, or you spend 1 minute on chat with that person, they pay you 360 coins, guys, per minute. Now, assuming you spend 6 hours here, do you know how many minutes in 6 hours? And you tell me you can't make 10k, you can't make 20k for yourself on this app? That is a pure lie. Now as I am talking right now, the screen went blank because somebody called again. Now I have to end the call and go back to my screen recording because I struggle a lot to do this screen recording because a lot of calls were interrupting my recording. But I said no, I need to show these people that there is a newest way to actually make money online now. Now you see guys, before I was having 6,416. Now just because that call came in within seconds, because I didn't receive it, I made sure I hang up the call. Now I 100 coins was added to my coin. Now it was 14. You see how much I was having before. Now if I refresh my screen, my screen now, it will turn to 6,500 and something. Do you guys now see? Just seconds of the call. I've not even talked to the person. I didn't even talk to the person because I was doing screen recording. So guys, this app can actually make you a cool amount of money. So all this daily reward, you make sure you navigate your daily reward. Just run through the app. It's very simple, a simple interface to navigate. Okay, now let me tell you what I love about this app. I love this app because it can get you money faster than what you imagine and what you can imagine. Within my 10 minutes of staying on this app, I earn 1,003. It's not even up to 10 minutes guys, but let me just sum it up with 10 minutes. Okay, now you can get cool amount of money. Now what I don't like about this app, let me tell you, What I don't like about this app is that if you are not ready to have adult fun, please, please don't even think about it to navigate this app, because the people that will be calling you, they want to catch phone. There are some word I actually not want to use here because I don't want to go against YouTube policy. I don't want them to flag this video. Okay, so you understand what I mean by adult fun, right? If you don't want all this kind of fun, all this kind of plenty fun, please, this app is not for you. But if you are the kind of person that you really don't care about what is going on, as far as you are having your money in your pocket, you don't care, as far as those people don't, they are not seeing you, like you're not seeing them one on one, then go ahead and register this app. Apart from what I said, I really don't like it. Well, will I still continue with this app? Well, I can't really say I'll continue with this app because I have issues with somebody trying to see what I am preventing for them not to see. So, but for those that really don't care, no problem, you can navigate this app and have cool money for yourself. I said, let me tell you people, in case you love this kind of thing, in case it's me that I have issues with it, but there are some people that do not actually have issues with it. So I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. Do well to use the link to join, and I'll be leaving my WhatsApp link in case you have any issues, in case there are things you don't understand. Just chat me up and I'm going to put you through. I've navigated, like I said, this is your legit queen on this online space. So I navigate this, I review app, I make sure that I go with my deep research. I make deep research about things before bringing it to you. So with my 10 minutes, 5 minutes in a particular site, I already navigate it. I already know what's up on that website. So guys, you got me covered. I got you covered, guys. So this is the end of this video right now. If you will not want to miss sweet updates like this, because videos like this, even more powerful, more sweet, more catchy like this, will be coming up on this channel. You wouldn't want to miss any of my updates, right? Do well to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that when sweet videos like this comes up, YouTube is going to notify you, because I have a lot of content to show you people. When I said I am creating this channel for you guys, I know what I am saying. I came loaded. So family, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, and I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group as well in the description of this video. See you guys next time.